Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Speaker of English channel. This is the place where learning English feels easy, comfortable, calm, and clear. I'm Daniel, your guide on this English learning journey. Today, joining us again is Mia.
Hi, everyone. I'm really happy you're here today.
Today is day 10. Today, we'll talk about work or study. This is very practical English. You can use it at work, at school, or when meeting new people. Relax. Let's begin. Before we start, let's remember how far you've come. You've already said sentences like, I am learning English. I live in a house. I like food. That is real English.
It feels more natural now.
That's confidence growing. When people meet you, they often ask one simple question. What do you do? Today, we'll learn how to answer this. Very simply.
I always feel nervous answering that.
That's okay. We'll keep it easy. If you study. If you study, you can say, I am a student. I study English at home. I study at school. Very simple.
I am a student.
Perfect. Now you try. Say one sentence. Good. If you work. If you work, you can say, I work as a teacher. I work as a driver. I work in an office. You don't need details. One sentence is enough.
I work as a designer.
That sounds natural. If you are not working right now, that is okay. You can say, I am learning English. I am looking for work. All are correct.
That makes me feel better.
English should never make you feel small. After you answer, you can ask back. Listen. What about you? That's all you need.
That feels easy to remember.
Because it is. Now let's put it together. Listen first. I am a student. I study English at home. Or, I work as a driver. I work in the city. Now you try. Say two sentences.
I work as a designer. I work at home.
Very good. Now pause for a moment. Say these sentences out loud. I am a student. Or, I work as... What about you? That's enough. Notice something. You didn't rush. You didn't panic. You spoke. That's confidence.
I feel more confident talking about work now.
You earned that. Today, you talked about work or study. That's practical English. Your task today, talk about your work or study 2 times today. Comment below, Day 10 done. Tomorrow, we'll talk about your daily routine in more detail.
You're doing great. See you in day 11.